Hey y'all, I'm Katie Jacobs with stylingmyeveryday.com. I'm bringing you a fun girls' night that you can plan this holiday. I'm inviting all my girlfriends over this year for a fun gift wrapping party. So for this party, we're gonna set up kind of a gift wrapping buffet. And so we're gonna start by just lining it with this great craft paper. So this is beautiful Hester & Cook paper. It's got trees on one side, but I'm just gonna use the great craft backing. So as the host of the party, I think it's a really fun idea to go ahead and wrap a bunch of gifts as inspiration for your guests. So we'll be using these presents down the center of our table. Something like this is really fun for your dog. In lieu of a bow, I use dog treats. Think about using candy or ornaments. They can add a fun extra pop to your packages. So to create a really fun centerpiece, intentionally wrapped my gifts in different colors and different textures and bows and not bows, not only to show inspiration, but to show that all these packages, they may not match, but they all go together. I have little kids and they're not super excited about a white package with a green bow. But they are super excited about a metallic candy cane package with a glittery card on it. So I've kind of lined them on the center, kind of back of our buffet, and then I'm gonna add some really fun, really inexpensive bright brush trees, kind of in an ombre pattern down the center to kind of add a little festive flair to our party. So this party's all about the supplies. I think it's a really fun idea to ask your girlfriends to make it a potluck wrapping party. So tell them to bring old wrapping paper from last year's Christmas, where they've got half rolls, or they can pick up new roll of wrapping paper, and then you can all share. This is actually a plastic trash can, and is a great way to store wrapping paper in your own home or display it for the party. I also like actually providing all the ribbon for the party, and no sticky bows allowed. It's great to set up everything on the table kind of like a buffet, so they can come pick up stickers. And I also like to provide all the art supplies. So these turntables, these clear turntables, are really great, not only for your pantry and for your art supplies, but also for a party like this. So it's really great to set out and your girlfriends can grab and go. Food for this party does not have to be fussy. I think this is a great event that you can get by ordering pizza. I think invite your girlfriends, tell them to wear their pajamas, order pizza, and then you'll have cocktails and dessert you made yourself. So I just made some really simple cream cheese pound cake from my cookbook, added some sprinkles on top before baking that can be easily picked up and go. It wouldn't be a girls' night without a cocktail, or a mocktail in my case. I think these wine tumblers from Porter are really great because they not only have lids, they have silicone wrap. They're not gonna be broken or spill in your home while everybody's wrapping gifts. I'm serving a Rosé Brut. And I always think it's fun to top with a little cotton candy. And then a little peppermint makes it perfect. I will most certainly be inviting my girlfriends over this holiday for a fun wrapping paper party just like this. You can find this and more inspiration in my book, So Much to Celebrate, available now. Cheers, y'all, to happy holidays.